Bosco Kyagulanyi yaliko. Kakati red carpet yeyo yali nomination night ya Oscars. Kakati ngoso ulaje twakola oli yali nomination night. Naye awarding ceremony liyo mu March.
Yali abanoninizi ya.
Twakola twaje ne twebuze kati abayangudde batakoze eki. Yes. Kakati yali nomination night kakati awarding ceremony liyo mu March.
Okay.
Kakati ku Friday waliwo award ezimanyiddwa nga the Cinema Eye Honor Award. Eranga edition ya 17. Kakati gundi zino ba rewarding abakozi ba documentaries. N'ebintu n'ebiri related to films and production. Yes, kakati mu edition ene 17 documentary ya Mwami Kyagulanyi yakola ya Bobi Wine the People's President ya recognizing ibwera ne wangula award yabadde ya people bagita audience choice award ndozera yani badinga people's choice badinga people's choice audience choice award ya wangudde. Yes, kati ya award naye zagunte zinnaba eza Oscars zote zinnaba naye zino award zabadde endala. Award zino okuzimanya katono nnyo zatandika mu mwaka gwa 2007.
2007.
So kakati ba edition ya 17 mweyawangulidde award eyo.
Okay.
So twagala okubanga ate tubayozayoza nammwe.
Okay. This particular award yava mu documentary ya Bobi Wine the People's President. Bwamaze ogifuluma ogifuna yagenze ku mutimbagano gwe n'awandiika ebigambo ebyenjawulo ng'ebimu ngenda kwantikako bino ebisembayo. Yagamba, I want to dedicate this award to my friend and neighbor John Bosco Kibalama.
Njagala okuwa award ye obwanguzi buno budedicatingira eri mukwano gwange ate era mulirwana wange Kibalama John Bosco
and dozens of others that were arrested and taken away by the security forces and they've never been seen again.
N'abalala bangi nnyo abatwala ebitongole by'okwerinda ne nga tebaddangamu nakulabwako.
We honor you, we miss you, and we will never stop demanding for your freedom and return, dead or alive.
Tubawe ekitiibwa. Tubakola ki?
Tubasubwa. Era tetugenda lekeraawo ku demanding freedom yammwe. Yes.
Kali ebyo nno byebyo.
At least babaze whether ngo mufu obanga mulamu. Okay. Kali naga, thank you so much ladies and gentlemen. The National Geographic documentary films Cinema Eye Honors Bobi Wine ne Bobi Kyagulanyi.
Bawadde Mwami Kyagulanyi. Bobi namwerekerako.
Kali katufune ku byabadde.
Wow. Honestly, we did not expect this because we never set out to make an award-winning film. No, we just wanted to document our story. A story of the people of Uganda fighting for freedom and democracy. We're just humbled that our story has received, has come to this level of international recognition, and with this award and the attention that comes with it, we believe we're going to be a little bit safer now because we know that the world is watching what's happening in Uganda. Ladies and gentlemen, my wife and I are not the real heroes in this film. No, the true heroes are the hundreds of men, women, and children that have paid the ultimate price in our struggle for freedom in Uganda. Those that are lying in unmarked graves scattered all over the country, the political prisoners, and those that are missing. Those are the true heroes. we salute them, and I want to dedicate this award to my friend and neighbor, John Bosco Chibalama, and dozens others that were arrested and taken away by security forces, and they've never been seen again. We honor you, we miss you, and we will never stop demanding for your freedom and return, dead or alive. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Kali, yoyo principle ngagenda maaso kwiranga ate ayogera oluvannyuma lw'obuwanguzi bwe bane tubayo zaayo z'abakola documentary eyo.
Agamba teyagikola lwa kubeera ng'ebeera nominated, yakola documentary kubikula liiso ki happening aside
ye. Ffe tugirabako ddi.
Yatuuse n'owangula tetunnagirabako.
Efaananya firimu.
Bali gitadde at least ku Netflix.
Ojjukira ekinigeria bakyali kyane bannayuganda kye baazanya n'abanigeria. Bannaye nga tukiwulira buwulizi naye nga tetukirabako. Twaliwo behind the scenes. Twaliwo.
Muyinza wakanya bimu ebirimu manyi nammwe semuli bangu. Ayi kino kyaddi. But anyway, I think we will watch it. It is definitely.
No, ajetaga sojinonya nagira. Ajetaga sojinonya nagikola ki? Nagira. Kale tuveewaawo. Kakati munange twatuli mu weekend.
Etutwala